Hi guys, today is another unboxing of the Walmart beauty box. Now this particular beauty box is not one of their usual seasonal ones. This is a special edition one curated by InStyle. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I actually got this really early this time. If you watch any of my other unboxings, I'm always late because where I live, it usually takes anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks just for me to get this box. But this particular box I got within a week. So I was really surprised and I'm happy and excited about it. So let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so it says award-winning beauty. Not sure if you can see it with the glare. Okay, I'm gonna open it up. It has award-winning, award-worthy savings. It says get 2 free issues with your auto renewal subscription at InStyle.com. I used to subscribe to InStyle, and actually I used to subscribe to a lot of the beauty magazines, but I stopped doing it. I've just noticed that the magazines, they're pretty much just a magazine full of ads, and I really don't like that, so I pretty much canceled all my subscriptions for any beauty magazines. But yeah, if you can get 2 free issues if you sign up with their subscription and do an auto renewal. But this is what the box looks like. Nice gold. I guess they did gold just because it's award winning. Okay, oops, upside down. Well, some of it is upside down. So let's look what's inside. Don't mind me if I'm looking around. I usually have a table in front of me, but I don't have a table today in front of me. I'm just using my lap to hold my box. Okay, so the first thing is the Olay Regenerist Whip. Light as air finish. Powerful wrinkle results without heaviness. Active moisturizer. Let's open it up. Let's see what it looks like if it's light and airy because it's whipped. Oh, look how big this box is, and then look how little that is. They should make the box smaller. It's just a little, to me it's just wasting paper. Let's open this up. It smells really good. Like that. Put some on my hand. Smells really good. I'm gonna try this out. So what does it say it does? Is uniquely whipped with active moisture to transform on skin for fast absorption and breathable feel. Irresistibly soft on skin with a smooth matte finish. Diminishes the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Actively hydrates to improve elasticity and firm skin for a lifted look. It's formulated with advanced amino peptide complex. Okay. So that's number 1. Let's go ahead and try this other. Oh, look what we have next is Olay Micro Scrubbing Cleaning Infusion Hydrating Glow Body Wash. Crushed ginger. Ooh, that must smell good. It doesn't smell like ginger to me. It smells like lemon. I'm gonna try this out. I just love these little tiny ones because I like to take these when I travel. And next we have Crest 3D Whitening Therapy Enamel Care Fluoride Anti-Cavity Toothpaste. It says the 3D White Whitening Therapy Collection formulas contain an active mineral complex. The Enamel Care formula nourishes teeth to strengthen enamel and beautifully whitens. Next we have, oh, this one looks like it leaked. Secret Clinical Strength Soft Solid Underarm Deodorant. Yeah, this one leaked. Let's see what happened. It's probably melted is what it happened. I'm not sure it's on this box, but I'm not sure if this is what leaked. But and this is light and fresh. The smell of it. Let's see. I don't usually like to use this kind of oh, it smells really good. Underarm deodorant. My favorite deodorant that I use is the crystal one, and it's not the one that looks like a rock. I use the one that's a spray. That's my favorite underarm deodorant. But this one smells really good. Okay. Next we have, I just got a bottle, in fact today before I filmed I went to Target. It's the Pantene Foam Conditioner Sheer Volume. They had a special going on. If you bought a 20 ounce either shampoo or conditioner, you got the 6 ounce, which is the full size, free. So yeah, I just got the full size. I'm not sure what the difference is using foam versus the regular, but I'm gonna try it tonight. Okay. And the last thing in here is, yeah, something's leaked. I don't know what actually leaked, because it's blue. It looks like it's blue. Whatever leaked. And the last thing in here is found coconut sheet mask. Oh, it was this that leaked. There's a hole right here. Can you see the coconut? It's coming out right here. This is what leaked. So I guess I won't be using this coconut sheet mask. It says it has the ancient ritual used for centuries in Southeast Asia. Coconut is known for its multi-purpose use. Oh man, I really want to try this one. I like anything with coconut I like. But let's count how many things we have. That was in this box. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I think all of these things are supposed to be award-winning items. It says, yeah, these are award-winning from, I guess, through InStyle. But yeah, these are not too bad, except for that one that leaked. I'm kind of sad about that one. But anyways, I'll go ahead and put a link down at the bottom if you want to get your own Walmart beauty box. They're seasonal, and you have to sign up on their website. I'll put the link down at the bottom. It's $5, actually free. You just pay for the shipping is $5. So that's it. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Right, Roscoe? Tell them subscribe to mommy. Bye.